Hello, my name is Andrew Grove and I'm the Managing Director of Chesser Resources, and it is my great pleasure to provide you with an overview of the Maiden mineral resource estimate we have delivered for a Diamba Sud gold project in Senegal. The resource relates to the Area A and Area D deposits at Diamba Sud, following about 32,000 metres of drilling since discovery in mid-2020. At our 0.5 gram per tonne cut-off grade, the resource stands at 781,000 ounces at a grade of 1.6 grams per tonne. The resource has been reported within a pit shell using a gold price assumption of US $1,800 an ounce. There are many positive features of the Diamba Sud resource. It has significant high-grade component, it is near surface, it has simple metallurgy, it has been drilled to a high level of confidence, and mineralisation remains open along strike and at depth. There is a very clear high-grade component to the deposit, which includes 493,000 ounces at 3 grams per tonne when we apply a 1.5 gram per tonne cut-off, and 692,000 ounces at 2 grams per tonne when we apply a 0.8 gram per tonne cut-off. 95% of the overall ounces are contained within 135 metres of the surface, and 40% of the ounces are in near-surface oxide mineralisation. You can clearly see the significant high-grade areas within cross-sections and 3D images of the resource. The high-grade and shallow nature of mineralisation makes for a very robust resource, with 94% or 733,000 ounces falling within a lower gold price pit shell of US $1,500 an ounce, and 84% of the ounces falling within a $1,350 pit shell. Metallurgical test work completed to date demonstrates very high recoveries, averaging 96%, which can be achieved through simple cyanide leach flow sheet with no indication for refractory gold. Our team on site has done an excellent job delivering this high quality initial resource, and we have very high confidence about the potential for delivering additional resources at Diamba Sud in the near future. Mineralisation at Area A and Area D remain open along strike and at depth, and we'll be testing these areas for future resource expansion with a major drill program planned to commence in January 2022. We have only recently started drill testing targets across the wider tenement area, and more focus will be placed on these targets during 2022 as well. 10 high priority targets have already been identified for future drill testing. The success Barrick is having at its KB West prospect, 5 kilometres northeast of Diamba Sud, highlights the very significant prospectivity of the region. In parallel with the major drill program, we'll be commencing a scoping study for Diamba Sud to further de-risk the project and lay the foundations for future development. The project has many positive attributes, including limited competing land use, access to infrastructure, and a stable mining-friendly jurisdiction. There are no obvious impediments for a future development at Diamba Sud, and we'll be building value of the asset through resource growth and technically de-risking the project. We look forward to keeping you up to date with our progress. Thank you very much.